All right, a video update of my house repainting. This is kind of sort of the last step in the whole process. 1 week into this painting, he's got all the cabinets and drawers and trim work painted antique white. And this is the kitchen, and all the drawers to the cabinetry are over there. On Monday, we start painting walls and ceiling. And I already showed you the colors, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of what is going on, a little status update. You can take a look. I still haven't decided on the backsplash, but we'll figure it out. The fireplace, I'm going to be painting the mantle and not the brick. And also this sliding glass door right here will be painted. This is the wall that used to have a door. It's now just a wall. This is really coming along good. Stinky though. He used lacquer on these drawers here, and it's a nice smooth hard finish. It's absolutely freaking beautiful on all these right here. I'm going to be moving the TV today, taking this off the wall and patching the holes. I'm going to do a little bit of rearranging this living room, which isn't really that big anyway. So the TV and the big speakers will be on this wall over here. I'm going to have Mr. Sparky put an outlet up high there, maybe. And the leather sectional is going to go into the den over here. You know, like an L-shaped kind of deal. It'll fit just perfectly and have a small desk in there for I call it my trophy room, or I love me room, you know, with all my wall hangings and military stuff. So that's what's going to happen there. And this is going to happen, you know, the painting will be done by Friday. Then I can start getting this house back to somewhat normal. I had him paint the door, the trim color here. Let me show you this real quick. This is my storage area. This is the front bedroom storage area. I'm living in the back bedroom. But let me open this up and I'll show you some cool stuff I did here with the storm door. So here's the new storm door right here, which is white, which is fine. It's got this type of screen here, which I absolutely freaking love. It's locked right now, and I did some custom trim work out here. Let me show you. On the porch. And this will all be painted and pretty. That'll all be color matched, almond. I already got the paint. See that right down there? Fixed all that. Silicone, paintable silicone, acrylic kind of stuff. That stuff's set up beautifully. So that'll all be painted. Then I'm going to paint all this right here with that good stuff that I used on the back porch. It's going to be freaking excellent. But I got to do it when it's really, really warm or hot so it adheres better. Okay. Bathroom back there is done. Take a quick look in there. That's where I sleep in there. Move that TV up a little bit so I can see it when I'm laying down. These are all painted. Mirror's going to go in there. I have some custom mirrors made right there. Jerry rigged that. I got new filter thing for that. He's going to paint the ceiling color. I'm going to have him paint those all to color match. Got them out in the garage, ready to rock and roll. Let's go in here to the master bedroom. It's like moving into a new house. It really is. But you don't have to move, which is really sexy. And I still have all new windows coming in about, I don't know, about 4 weeks or so. They're being made because these windows are freaking rotted out and crap, especially that one over there. It's warped. And it'll be the double low E argon Energy Star freaking windows, the proper windows. These are just crap. The window maker dude said that these are basically magnifying glasses. They're like single pane. They may be double pane, but I don't know. But they're crap, low budget windows. Probably take that down today. And lastly, into the master bathroom. I put up arches right up there for a little distinction. Then over here, I got mirrors I'm going to have made, and light fixtures, which I'm going to have to buy, and dual vanity there, and drawer, and you named it. And he painted this handle here. I didn't want this painted, but actually looks kind of good. When you shut the door, kind of thing. For the bathroom. And that's about it. Not much else to show. It's starting to finally come together. I started this back in October. I still have a few more, a little bit of caulking and silicone to do. But my garage is getting cleared out. I got some more sills. I got the quartz sills, you know, the same material as the kitchen here going in, but they can be put in either concurrently or after I get the windows done. But I didn't want any wood. This house, I'll tell you, I didn't want any different mismatched, different species of wood going on. Because look at that. It's just so tacky looking. I want a modern, fresh, Italian Catholic kind of vibe to this. And it's going to be an olive color over here, and then kind of like a cream color here, and then like a 30% reduction in that color for the ceiling, so it'll flow just perfectly. At least that's my thinking. And discuss it with my sister and a few others to make sure I'm doing it right, because I have like zero skills when it comes to Susie Homemaker decorating and color knowledge and yakety schmackety. I absolutely suck at it. But that turned out sexy. Microwave. Big pantry right here. Trim work. That door will remain oak. I did want to have an oak front door though. I didn't want a red. I just wanted the more, it kind of matches the outside a little bit better. So I can always paint it too. You know? I may have, we'll see. We'll see on the TV. I just don't want any dangle cords hanging down when I put the TV right here. So I gotta get a new, I want to get a couch. Let's look at this wall here. So you're gonna be sitting, I'm gonna have a big kind of a recliner sofa deal here. I'm gonna get a new one, and don't have a recliner, you know, actual single seat recliner in here, just because this living room is just not that big. So it'll be a nice flow when you're sitting over here on the couch. It's gonna be like an oversized, you know, sleepable, you can lay down on it kind of couch. And then this is where all the TV and the hi-fi big speakers will go, right over here. You tracking me? See, I moved the thermostat to the other side of the wall too. And all that floral crap will be gone. I'm gonna just get some limo tint for right up there or something. I'll figure it out. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a good Sunday. And next week, I will definitely have paint on the walls. Painters aren't cheap, just to let you know. The good ones are expensive, and that's what I got is a good one. So there you have it. Be safe. Have a good one later.